What is innovation? Is it an idea, a breakthrough, or the ability to transform industries and shape the future? Is it the relentless pursuit of progress where challenges become opportunities, or the power to rethink, redefine, and revolutionize the way the world works? At LHE, innovation is our foundation. We don't just build heat exchangers, we engineer possibilities. With visionary technology and design, we create solutions that power the world's most demanding industries. Our facilities push the limits of precision and durability. Every detail, every component, engineered for maximum efficiency. But true innovation isn't just about technology, it's about impact. When you need assistance, our commitment ensures a rapid response, no matter the location. Our specialized service teams are strategically positioned to serve your needs across key regions. We offer comprehensive service for gasketed plate heat exchangers, no matter the brand, and dedicated care for LHE welded units. With expert attention and fast turnaround, we keep your operation at peak performance. Our advanced heat exchangers minimize energy loss, reduce waste, and drive sustainability for a cleaner, smarter tomorrow. At LHE, we don't follow trends, we create them. We anticipate challenges before they arise. We engineer solutions before they're needed because the future doesn't wait, and neither do we. LHE, engineering the future of heat exchangers.